Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alameen wassalatu wassalamu ala Sayyidil Anbiya'i wal Mursaleen wa ala alihi wa ashabihi ajma'een amma ba'd. Fa'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajeem. Bismillahir rahmanir rahim. Iyyaka na'budu wa iyyaka nasta'een. It is you we worship and you we ask for help. Linguistically, ibadah means subdue. For instance, a road is described as mu'abbada, meaning paved. In religious terminology, ibadah implies the utmost love, humility and fear. So the meaning of the verse, we worship you alone, none else, and we rely on you alone, none else. This is the perfect form of obedience, and the entire religion implied by these two ideas. Even some Salafus Salihin rahimahumullah said that Surah Al-Fatiha is the secret of the Holy Quran. And this verse, Iyyaka na'budu wa iyyaka nasta'een, is the secret of Surah Al-Fatiha. And the first part of this verse is a declaration of innocence from shirk, polytheism, while the second negates having any power or strength, displaying the recognition that all affairs are controlled by Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala alone. And it may also be noticed that the phrase wa iyyaka nasta'een does not mention the purpose for which help is being sought. Imam Ghazali rahimahumullah said that the idea of the request to cover everything from act of worship to all possible worldly or otherworldly concerns. Then the act of worship are not limited to prescribed prayers or fasting. Imam Ghazali rahimahullah mentioned in his book 10 forms which worship can take. Number 1, prayer. Number 2, prescribed almsgiving. Number 3, fasting. Number 4, Hajj. Number 5, reciting the Holy Quran. Number 6, remembrance of Allah in all possible situations. Number 7, earning one's livelihood in accordance with the regulation of the Sharia. And number 8, fulfilling one's obligations towards one's companions and neighbors. And number 9, persuading people to act righteously and dissuading them from what is reprehensible and forbidden. And number 10, to follow the Sunnah. Sadaqallahul Azim.